Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to use the Notebook LM for medical students. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do here is you just have to visit the notebooklm.google.com website, all right? And then you just have to sign in with your Google account. And then after that, you'll be able to see this create a new notebook, okay, and then we are just going to give our notebook a name. So just go here. That's right. So for example, I'm just going to name this one as anatomy. All right. And then after that, just have to upload your study material. So you can add lecture slides. So just tap on this add sources option. Okay. And then here, um, research papers, clinical guidelines, class notes, or even Google Documents. So the Notebook LM analyzes only the sources you provide. So for example, I'm just going to search right here, a resources for anatomy. Okay, so I'm just going to get it. But of course, if you have your own study materials, you just have to upload your sources. And then once your documents are uploaded, start asking questions in the chat. So yeah, let me just import this one. So for example, you can tell the Notebook LM to summarize the pathophysiology of heart failure, or explain the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, to something like that. And then, of course, you can also like create generate 20 multiple choice questions from your lecture notes. Okay, so one of the best features is that Notebook LM cites the exact source it used for every answer, allowing you to verify the information quickly instead of searching through the hundreds of pages. Okay, so just remember that the Notebook LM is a study assistant, not a replacement for your professors. Anyways, and yeah, verify important medical information with trusted academic and clinical sources. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.